You finally get the keys to the house. Friends congratulate you, family celebrates, and for a brief moment, you've won. Friction is the collection of invisible, non-recoverable costs, like insurance premiums, HOA fees, and routine repairs, that silently drain your cash every single day. This model's the 1% rule. A $500,000 home requires $5,000 annually in maintenance to fight off decay, excluding catastrophic failures. Adding your annual tax obligation exposes the paradox of appreciation. As property value climbs, aggressive tax reassessments force you to fund higher yearly tax bills from current income. Modern smart home technology dramatically accelerates this hidden friction. Instead of a quick DIY fix on a simple analog thermostat, you are now paying specialized technicians to troubleshoot software ecosystems, network connections, and proprietary hardware. This creates the ultimate contradiction of homeownership. As the physical house appreciates in value on paper, the literal cost to carry that house appreciates right alongside it. But the cash spent maintaining the property is only part of the drain. Consider the massive six-figure down payment. That capital is locked, illiquid, and financially stagnant inside wood and drywall. This split-screen chart reveals the trade-off. On the left is the flat reality of trapped home equity minus inflation. On the right, we see the exact same down payment compounding in a diversified, liquid market portfolio over those same decades. Accessing that locked equity by selling triggers the mobility tax. Exiting the property requires paying tens of thousands of dollars in agent commissions, closing costs, and moving expenses. Beyond the direct fees, being financially anchored to a single zip code creates a massive professional limitation. In a remote-first economy, the inability to quickly relocate means missing out on career pivots and the salary growth that comes with them. Opportunity cost is deeply dangerous because it is entirely invisible. You never receive an invoice for the compounding portfolio growth or the promotions you never pursued. The house itself also acts as a permanent consumption engine. Expanding into a larger space dictates the need for more energy to heat it, more time to clean it, and more furniture to fill it. Endless aesthetic upgrades might feel productive in the moment, but they typically generate zero actual long-term financial return. The common defense for this spending is that a mortgage acts as a forced savings account, but that assumes the savings stay put. In practice, many homeowners frequently extract their accumulated equity through refinancing and home equity lines of credit. Once the house becomes an ATM, those years of savings are converted into rapidly depreciating lifestyle upgrades. New cars, luxury vacations, and patio renovations can wipe out the financial advantage the mortgage was intended to create. Your dream home locks up your past capital while creating a psychological justification to consume your future capital. When you map out the math, a liquid, agile tenant who rents affordably and aggressively invests the difference can often accumulate more total wealth than a geography-bound homeowner. This changes how we must view real estate. Housing is primarily a consumption expense that provides vital shelter, comfort, and community. It is a lifestyle choice, not a primary investment vehicle. Before you sign a 30-year commitment, run it through this framework. Does the house support a specific life goal? Can you comfortably afford the total cost of ownership? And most importantly, would you still want this exact property if financial appreciation stopped completely tomorrow? Buying a home specifically for its financial returns is a form of speculation. It carries risk that many buyers mistake for stability. A home can be a wonderful lifestyle decision and a mediocre investment at the exact same time. The goal of your capital is to maximize your total autonomy. Every square foot of an asset carries a price, measured in personal freedom. Choose the life you want to lead, not just the one society sold to you. Subscribe for more ways to rethink your wealth.